Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best and most delicious recipes that you can try at home. Today, we have a special treat for all you chocolate lovers out there. We are going to show you how to make a delicious chocolate smoothie that is not only tasty but also filling and perfect for curbing those cravings. So, let's get started. First, let's take a look at the ingredients we will need for this recipe. 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. 1 banana. 1 scoop of chocolate protein powder. 1 cup of almond milk. Start by adding 1 cup of almond milk to your blender. Next, add 1 sliced banana to the blender. Now, add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder to the mix. Finally, add 1 scoop of chocolate protein powder to the blender. Blend all the ingredients together until you get a smooth and creamy consistency. And that's it. Your chocolate smoothie is ready to be served. Tips. Before we go, here are a few tips to help you make the perfect chocolate smoothie. If you prefer your smoothie to be sweeter, you can add a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup. For an extra chocolatey flavor, you can add some chocolate chips to the mix. If you want a thicker smoothie, you can add some ice cubes to the blender. And there you have it, a delicious and filling chocolate smoothie. That is perfect for curbing your cravings. Not only is it tasty, but it's also packed with nutrients and protein, making it a great post-workout snack. So, next time you're in the mood for something sweet, give this recipe a try and let us know how it turned out in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes like this one. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.